This video is going to address the different modes that you can operate in when you are using Note. If you look down here to your menu and go to the More Options, there will be a button called Mode. You're going to select the Mode button and it will give you three options. Currently, the panel as you see it is in teaching mode. That assumes that I am up at the panel. I am teaching in front of the panel and I'm going to use the touch screen options. It also indicates that I'm in teaching mode because you see the icon on the annotation toolbar that has the draw to text feature. The second option in mode is preparation mode. This is the mode that you would go to if you wanted to be able to work from a laptop or desktop remotely away from your panel. It operates by allowing you to minimize, restore, or exit out of your screen in the upper right-hand corner. You can navigate between these two modes, again, back here down in your More Options mode, and you can toggle between teaching and preparation mode. But the other way that you can do that is when you are in your desktop, if you are working from your computer, right, you can take and you can hit the escape key. The escape key will give you the same ability to work in preparation mode. You will also know you are in preparation mode because the text box button will be there as opposed to the writing to text feature when you're in presentation mode or teaching mode. Okay, the third mode that's listed here is desktop. And you can get to desktop one of two ways. You can go to the More Options mode and click desktop, or you can utilize the shortcut, which is over here, clicking on the monitor. By clicking that monitor, you will then be brought instantly back to your desktop with an array of options here for you to pick from. You can pull out and choose colors to annotate. You can erase. You open up the More Tools option where you can do an array of things that will be addressed in a future video. And you can hit the N with the circle on it, which will bring you back to Note. That monitor will allow you to go back and forth along with the N in the circle, to go back and forth between your desktop and Note. Hopefully, after viewing this video, you feel a bit more comfortable navigating between the three modes that Note has to offer. Teaching, in which you are able to teach straight from the panel. Preparation, which will give you the ability to exit out of this screen, and in which on your desktop you can hit the escape button on your keyboard to get to this mode so that you can work away from your panel should you choose. And finally, desktop, which will bring you back to your desktop to be able to work.